This side contains a lesson in Ujjayi inhalations. Assume the position of Shavasana by adjusting the body and limbs in proper, straight, symmetrical state. It will take couple of cycles and couple of moments to settle down in body, mind and senses with the breath in Shavasana. After having settled in Shavasana, now confine your mind to the breath around the nostrils and start developing sensitivity for the breath in the nostrils and area around the nose, the nasal band. Sensitize the nasal cavities, nasal membrane, the septum as you breathe. Now closely start monitoring the inhalations as to how the nasal part responds to your normal, spontaneous, natural, organic, unconditioned inhalation. Sensitize the area around the nose, the maxillary region or the nasal band which is below the eyes up to the lips. Imagine that the pores of the skin all over that band are nostrils and feel the inhalation seeping through the pores of skin, flesh, muscles, bones and tissues. Feel the gradual seepage caused by the inhalations in that band, not merely in the nostrils but even outside the nostrils, particularly the cheekbone and the maxilla. Even the upper lip will be having pores to inhale. Your teeth will be having pores to inhale. Heads of the teeth, root canals and palates will be having the pores for the seepage of inhalation. Get the feeling of volume, velocity, density of the inhalations, which are all normal. Having gauged all those, having measured all those, now gradually you are going to modify the velocity only of your inhalations and not the exhalations. Therefore, closely watch and measure the velocity of inhalations, and now in the third or fourth cycle, inhale with marginally dropped velocity, which will also drop the density of inhalation, but try to have the same volume of inhalation. Feel how the skin, flesh, muscles, bones and tissues in that band respond to the seepage during the marginally slowed down inhalation. After a while, further drop the velocity of inhalation and do this until the inhalation reaches a definition called slow, soft, thin, rarefied inhalation. But try to keep the volume unmodulated. So feel the effect of it so intensively and extensively in the face and in the brain, in the senses, as the skin and nostrils, the facial skin and the nostrils will be having a sort of catalytic converter to effect the seepage of sublimity in the face, in the brain, in the mind, in the thought center, in the ego center. So feel the effect of slower inhalation in augmenting this sublimation in the thought center and also peculiar distension in the physical aspects of the head, brain, face and skull. Now revert back to normal breathing, but keep closely monitoring the inhalations and again get the gauge of your inhalation in volume, velocity and density, the range. Now we are going to modify the volume of inhalation by inducting supplements. Now start appending a nominal supplement to your inhalation which will increase the volume correspondingly, and feel the effect of it on the body, mind, brain and senses. It will have extensive effects on the surrounding parts of the thoracic and distant parts of the abdomen, pelvic and leg regions. So also shoulders, hands and palms. So after a couple of cycles, append a supplement to the inhalation and do that until the inhalation reaches a definition called deep inhalation. But do not try to modify the velocity volitionally. Let the velocity as far as possible remain as it is in the normal inhalations. So you will get to know the effect of deeper inhalation of the brain center or the brain zone and the thought center and ego center. So feel the sublimation augmented on account of increased volume of inhalation in normal velocity. That advertence to the nostrils and area around the nose will create a catalytic converter in the skin, flesh, muscles, bones, tissues and nerves to receive the sublimation from cosmic atmosphere. Do that for a while and then revert back to normal breathing, closely watching area around the nose for your normal volume velocity inhalations. When you are settled in normal breathing, now shift the focal point of advertence on the thoracic region, the chest region, and start getting the feel of your thoracic region, its response to inhalation, which is organically done, spontaneously done, naturally done, involuntarily done. Get the feel of it. And get the measurement and gauge of it also. Having gauged the velocity of thoracic inhalation, now we will start to inhale marginally slower, which will slow down the oscillation of thoracic region correspondingly. So couple of normal cycles and marginally slowed down inhalations of the thoracic region of the physical body and the emotional region of the mental body. So feel the mental and emotional stability, mental and emotional sublimity blooming as you inhale marginally slower. Continue the slowing down process until the inhalation reaches a definition called slow, soft, rarefied, thin, gentle, pensive inhalation. Feel the responses in the skin, flesh, muscles, bones, tissues, layers of the lungs and alveoli. Compare the experience of your slower inhalation with the normal inhalations which are following and preceding the conditioned inhalation. Now gradually revert back to normal breathing, closely watching the thoracic oscillations, and wait for the breath to again settle down to smooth and rhythmic movement. Now you will be modifying the volume of thoracic inhalation by appending supplements. Now after your inhalation, append a supplement to it in comfortable volume and feel the effect of that supplement on thoracic response to the inhalations, the pulmonary response to the inhalation, emotional response to that inhalation, which is now slightly deepened. Continue to do that with a couple of normal cycles in between, but every time get the gauge of your normal volume inhalation and then append to it a supplement and gradually increase the supplements until it becomes deep inhalation, and feel the effects of the waves of inhalations caused by the main phase and supplementary phases. Do not overdo to inhale more. Keep watching the responses, and as long as the responses are positive, you can be increasing the volume of inhalation and not beyond. Watch the effect of that inhalation on the emotional zone for sublimity, and also the effects of it on the upper part, the head, brain and thought center, and lower parts, the abdomen, the thighs and the legs and feet. So also arms and palms. Now revert back to normal breathing. And see that again the thoracic oscillation settles down to involuntary, normal, natural, organic, spontaneous, unconditional breathing. Now watch the abdominal oscillation as you breathe normally. How the abdominal region is responding to in-breaths and out-breaths, to inhalations and exhalations. Get the feel of it. Do all the perceptive activities very quietly. Do all the sensitive activities for sensations very quietly. Now closely watch the velocity of abdominal inhalation by its oscillation to inhalation and response to inhalation. Get the measurement of it, the gauge of it in volume, velocity and density, the range. Now you will be starting to marginally drop the velocity only in the inhalations. Now after the exhalation, we inhale by marginally dropping the velocity. Marginally make the inhalation slower, and abdominal oscillation will be also correspondingly slowed down. Couple of normal cycles and continue to do that. In the third or fourth cycle, marginally dropping the velocity of inhalation compared to velocity of normal inhalation, and see that the abdominal region becomes responsive, sensitive to that variation in velocity. Then in the following cycles, further drop the velocity to a comfortable extent, but very gradually and every time marginally. Feel how this inhalation is soothing the abdominal organs and how the passion zone is also cultured, conditioned and soothed and sublimated with that inhalation. Because in pranayamic inhalations, you have the catalytic converters to transform the state of the body and mind. Now you are working on the passion zone as you inhale. Feel the slow recession in the abdomen as you inhale. Feel that recession of normal inhalation and then with slower inhalation. Slow down the inhalation until it reaches a definition which is called slow, soft, rarefied, thin inhalation. And see that the physiological body is responding to that correspondingly. Having done that for a while, now revert back to normal breathing. Keep watching the abdominal oscillation while you breathe and as it becomes normal. Now you are going to modify the volume of inhalation by supplements. Therefore, closely watch the volume of your inhalation by abdominal oscillation, abdominal response, abdominal action as you inhale. Now you will start to make the modifications actual, that is, after the inhalation, append a supplement to it which should be nominal and titular and not very substantial, and feel the effect of it. And then do a couple of normal cycles. Again, after a couple of normal cycles, inhale with normal volume, velocity, density, and then have a supplement in same velocity, density, so that will increase the volume by that supplement. At the same time, feel the effect of it on the organic body, the abdominal region, and the passion zone of the mental body. Feel the sublimation coming in, seeping through, and subsuming, permeating. After a couple of normal cycles, again increase the volume of inhalation, maybe with additional supplement, to the extent that you will be able to make a deep inhalation without coercion and without force. So see that you are monitoring the composure, the quietude, and without having that at stake, you are increasing the volume of inhalations. Now feel the effect of it on the localized part, the abdominal region and the passion zone, and the effect of it on the surrounding parts, the thoracic and the pelvic, and the distant parts, the head, brain, and the legs and feet, arms and palms. And then revert back to normal breathing. As you come to normal breathing, shift the focal point to around the nose and nostrils. Having done the Ujjayi inhalations, to counter any mal effects, marginally condition your exhalations in volume, velocity and density by slowing down and deepening the exhalations. So any negative effects will be effaced and countered and removed. Make it a point to always end the inhalation pranayam followed by an exhalation pranayam. Having done a slower and softer and deeper exhalations in the temporal, cerebral, cortical, facial, brainal region, do that in the thoracic region for a while. Marginally slower and deeper exhalations with the focal point at the thoracic. So the distension will be effected in the thoracic region of the body and the emotional region of the mind. Having already done on the facial, brainal region of the physical body and the thought region and ego region of the mind. Now finally come to the abdominal region by marginally and slowly dropping the volume, the velocity and density of exhalation, and quieten the abdominal region in the physical aspects and passion region in the mental aspects. Now start doing involuntary, normal, spontaneous, organic, natural breathing, and start watching again the area around the nose as you are about to terminate the pranayam. So you have done the inhalation pranayam on the temporal, cerebral, cortical, facial zone of the body and the ego and thought center aspects of the mind. Then in the second phase of it, you did it on the thoracic region of the body, the pulmonary region of the body, and the emotional aspect of the mind, and then in the abdominal region of the body and the passion region of the mind. Here ends the lesson on Ujjayi inhalations. Surrender unto the God. Slowly open your eyes. Feel the twilight state of body, mind and senses. And slowly turn to the right side. Bending the limbs. Here ends the lesson on Ujjayi 1.